Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor has sent me a product. This is a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? I'm a tool guy. And so I've got an Amola brushless impact driver. It's a small one for small jobs, but who doesn't have a lot of little small jobs around the house? Let's open this up and see what we got. So first off, it's an Amola brushless impact driver. Comes in a great, if you're looking for a Father's Day gift or something like that for that handy person around your house, what a nice case it has. We'll turn that around, open it up. And instructions, very nice. I've already read them. They're great. It's an impact driver. It's not a lot to it. You use this right here to charge your batteries. Okay. Simply plug this into the wall, plug that into there, and that charges your battery, which we have already done. All right. Then here's your impact driver. Click your battery onto here, like that. So, just to show you just a little bit of power for the nice small little impact drill, but got a lot of power. So you just take your wood bit, pop it in there.
Nice.
So there you go. There you can see that drill's got a lot of power. I'm not going to go all the way through a 4x4. That's asking my drill bit a lot, and I don't want to dull my drill bit. But great little impact driver. If you're looking for a small, compact, powerful impact driver, go get your Amola brushless impact driver today.